Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I appreciate you guys checking into this video today. Since we're in the Thanksgiving and kind of getting into that holiday season, wanted to unbox these guys for you, talk a little bit about their story and also how I got them for a great deal, and also mention how some other sneakers that we might be able to look at here as we get towards the end of the year and talk about some deals that you might be able to find. So today we have the Saucony Grid 8500 HTs. And I picked these up, I want to say, maybe like almost like 2 years ago now. So it's definitely been a while that I've had them, but it is still a great deal and certainly still a great shoe. So the 8500 HT, what they did with this version is they took the 8500 and gave us more kind of elevated luxury feel to it with the premium suede that they used on most of the upper, and then they also used a perforated suede here on the mud guard, also on the back collar, and then they have this the regular like padded lining they use for the booty and the collar on this shoe. So they really did a nice job, and the thing that I really like about this shoe, and I didn't really know it until I did some more research on it, but basically each colorway of this shoe they use what they call like burnished materials, or materials that will wear differently depending on how and where you use them, and the individuals and how they wear them. So it kind of gives each individual a unique look in terms of how their shoes will end up looking the more they wear them. So you'll see a lot of different like scuff marks and things like that showing differently. So I have a few different scuff marks here on the sides of mine, and they kind of just give us some extra character, which I really like the idea of. We've seen plenty of shoes like the LA to Chicago's, Dave White Jordan ones, that kind of thing, where they have this idea of like this eroding or kind of just letting the user kind of show their wear to them. This is another one that's a little bit more subtle, obviously the monochromatic colorways. And I think that I like about the Saucony ones is they're also like shoes you can wear anywhere. You don't really feel bad about scuffing them, or you don't really feel bad about letting them show some character, because they are not really like a high dollar shoe, just an everyday shoe, something you can pick up for relatively cheap but still get a lot of that story. Maybe it's like a story of where you've been or something you did, and you just have that shoe to tell you and remind you about that story. So I think that's a really cool idea in terms of just being able to use these shoes as a vehicle for different moments in your life that you might have gone through. They also feature the shoe in this red colorway, but they feature a brown one, a black one, and a gray one as well. So I'll try and link a few different colorways below, and maybe some different sizes. If you're lucky, you might be able to find a pair in your size and get them for under $40, which is most of them I've seen is around that price right now. So yeah, as we head towards the end of the year, it's definitely going to be a great time to pick up a lot of different shoes for really good deals. We had Black Friday deals, we had Cyber Monday deals. I featured like 2 or 3 deals a day on my Sneaker Deals of the Day website recently, because there's been so many great ones I didn't want to skip any that I thought were really good. So make sure you head over to Sneaker Deals of the Day website so you guys can stay up to date when it comes to all those shoes. There's more like current shoes, or shoes that are in Foot Locker, Finish Line, Champs, East Bay, Nike, Adidas, Saucony, all those kind of things that will be featured on a daily basis. I do try and make sure that I kind of give a variety of different shoes for different personalities, different things you might like. And really that's what I want to do with this channel, is just kind of promote ways to help you guys build your sneaker collections and save some money, and really not to spend like a ton of money all in one pair of shoes. You guys can have different variety, different taste, different stories than other people, which is what really got me drawn into sneaker collecting in the first place, because you have your own identity and your own personality, and that really is a way to be able to shine through the footwear that you wear. So this is one that I was really excited to pick up and share with you guys. I do have some other ones that I've picked up recently that I'm also excited to share, and hopefully we'll be able to bring some more content on a more consistent basis, even though I've had a little bit of a break in the last month or so. And I really appreciate you guys checking in. If you do have time, please go over to Sneaker Deals of the Day website, which I'll link below. Sign up for the daily emails. That way you guys can follow along, or you can follow along on the Instagram page that I run as well. And make sure you guys are able to make as well like and subscribe to this video. That way I can continue to build and to provide more content like this for you guys. So thanks again. We'll see you guys again soon in the next one.